welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to fix page isn't available on Instagram. So to do that, open the Instagram and then get logged in into the account first. Not opening and crashing and showing the page isn't available right now or page isn't available at the moment. This is maybe because of a technical error that we're going to fix. When you try to reload the page, the error will show again page isn't available right now on Instagram. In this video, I will show you easy step to fix Instagram page isn't available right now. And this may be because of technical error on Instagram. So let us start step 1. The first thing you can do is you can clear the cache to fix page isn't available right now on Instagram. We can try to clear Instagram app data. So go to setting first, then you need to go to apps and notification. The apps and notification is different with each Android application. So what you need to do is go to the Instagram app info page and there you need to go to storage and cache. Tap that, and in here you need to tap the option clear cache. Tap on it. Once done, open your Instagram and see if page isn't available at the moment is fixed or not. As you can see, my Instagram is working fine. So I'll just give you the information on how you can do this. You can try on your Instagram. Once you're done with the clear cache option, you can check your Instagram whether the page isn't available right now is fixed or not. Even after that, the issue is not solved. What you can do is you can go to the Google Play Store and there you can try updating or uninstalling your Instagram application to reinstall it once again. Tap on Instagram. As you can see, my application need to be updated. So tap on update. Updating Instagram sometimes fix lots of problem automatically. If you do not have the update option, you can then simply uninstall and reinstall the application on your phone device. This might also help you solve the issue of page isn't available. So even after the issue of your page not being available is still there, what you can do is you can try Instagram Lite. Go to the Google Play Store, download Instagram Lite to fix page isn't available at the moment on Instagram. You can try downloading Lite. Go on the Google Play Store, search for the Instagram Lite and tap on install. When finished the installation, open Instagram Lite, log into your Instagram account, and this should fix the issue of page isn't available right now. So these are the few simple steps for how you can fix the issue. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.